Okay, good morning, guys. So today this will be the random vlog as my friend and myself are traveling towards Thimphu. Such a beautiful weather, man. I think we have seen the sun after a long time. Most of the time it was raining, and the time exactly is 10:42. Maybe my friend was messaging me, Hope it doesn't fall down, I don't have a 360 angle camera, so a lot of tourists over here. They are taking the picture facing the zone at the background. You can see the zone up there. We're just entering the Paro College of Education as a friend lives out there, Same thing happened to me too, man. Oh, it's so steep, that's why. Let's go. As you know, now I'm just planning to upgrade my bike and want to just explore the showroom, which bike will be my next coming bike, I'm just planning for Himalayan 450, but I think that bike would be quite taller for me. Let's see and just test it once. His friend has upgraded his bike so much, it's quite unrecognizable. It doesn't seem like Ronin, now. He has upgraded so much, a lot of modification in his bike. I've got a new helmet which is from Ignite, that's IGN16, and I'll just do the unboxing in my next video. And my birthday gift from my wife. Thank you, my beautiful wife. We are taking the old route to Bombay. One of the biggest airport is being constructed down there at GMC. So right now, this is the only international airport here in Bhutan. Bhutan Airlines. This is the national carrier of Bhutan right now. We got a hangar out there and a helicopter as well. Look at his bike, It looks terribly awesome, man. Yeah, and that's the road which joins with this old road, That's the new road. And this is the Le Meridian Resort, the riverfront. You can see the view on the other side, it's so beautiful. As the saying says, the grass is always greener on the other side. I just broke my J-hook over here, so I'm using the stick. Right now I'm using the stick as the mold. Yeah, I don't know how the views are coming, but definitely it will look nice when you change the POV angles sometime, Today the weather is so good, man. Really love to ride the bike on this kind of weather. Look at his helmet. It looks so awesome, man. There's a steel
Fighter Bus X.
मैले त भित्र ज्याकेट लगाएन नि, खोलेर राखेको छ। भित्र ज्याकेट खोलेर राखेको छ। मैले खोलेर राखेको होइन नि, यो त लाउनुपर्छ नि, यो त लाउनुपर्छ।
It was so terrifying, man. I nearly broke my camera.
Oh, see, Moto. That's a hell of a bike, man. And that's the beautiful Thimphu over there. Ali, or Jun sir, utto Paro basu. Ah. What a beauty, man. We'll just take a small break over here. Then we'll resume. Yeah. It's so windy, man. Look, it's full of dust over here. The construction is going over there. So, yeah, a lot of dust in the air. The road towards Ha. A lot of dust coming from there, man. Beautiful. A lot of tourists over here. We'll just take some coffee and a short break, and we will just resume. I'm just trying some new POV angles, man. Let's see if it works or not. And also a new helicopter service private helicopter service have been started, and it's right over there on the other side of the river. That's the only private helicopter service in Bhutan right now. It says welcome to Thimphu city here. This is the beautiful zero, Bavisa Zero. We can see the beautiful structure of 8 lucky balls made by the Singaporean architecture. Oh, it's closed today. Okay, the Royal Enfield showroom is out for lunch, and we'll explore some other place. We'll go to the workshop to find some tape. Oh, James Corey. The auto spare parts, the workshops are all located over here. These are the area specified for the workshops only, you know. So right now, all the places are out for lunch, so we'll be going to the sticker shop to make some stickers, you know, and then we'll return back. You can see a beautiful flyover over there, so where the people can cross the road, you know. That's kind of safe, you know. It will not hamper the traffic. It's the blessing for the pedestrians, you know. Yeah, and that building, you know, this red building is the place where we do dialysis for the kidney patients, you know, and it's the Kido Medical Service, which is donated by our king. And yeah, this is the hospital area, and that's the general hospital up there, the biggest hospital in Bhutan. Yeah, check that out. The beautiful Chorten, the beautiful memorial Chorten out there, which is so beautiful, man. A lot of people are revolving around it, you know. There's a kind of belief that our sins will be washed away. The first kind of type in Bhutan, the beautiful round shaped building. There's the parking we got, And that's the beautiful Bhutan National Bank out there. Okay, now we are moving to some other place, the place where we came to make our sticker. The printer was out of service. लैजाऊ 2 जनाको 10 रुपियाँ. The shopkeeper said that it would be somewhere around here, but no, I think it's the wrong way we came. We came the wrong way, man. So this was the wrong way, man. Previously there used to be a way from here. It's all blocked now. I think this way is also closed. There used to be a road running from here. No, I know, sir. Oh, I know, sir. This is the exact place where I've spent my childhood. And our school was up there. Yeah, kind of it's recollecting in my memory, We used to play over here, and this Vida Enterprise is still there. Oh, I didn't find that, man. We had to stop in the middle of nowhere, as we were unable to find the print shop which was described by the shopkeeper down there. Well, all the places, it's completely changed, so it's quite difficult to find. Okay, we finally found the place to print our stickers. So we finally found the place. It's United Printing Press. It's right here. We reached here. After inquiring a lot, we found the place. So that's the place, United Printing Press. So we have to come along the place where we had stopped, a little rough road from here, and you'll reach the place, United Printing Press. So we'll go inside and make some stickers. United Printing Press. So we came here to make some stickers. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, we came here to the United Printing Press to make some stickers. And this brother is making a sticker. The prices are so cheap over here. And if you need to make some stickers, logos, this is the right place for you. You can visit the place. The rates are very good, and there are a lot of printing things done over here. You can see, with new equipments and a lot of big printers and all. So this is the place for you guys. So here are the samples, you can see. Okay. Check this out, man. Okay, so finally done with the work. I've done with the sticker, you can see over here. And now we are moving to the showroom, and we did the printing on that shop, United Printing Press over there. Okay, finally done with the work, and now going back. Yeah, a little bit of off-road, a few meters of off-road, and this is the way from where we can come to the printing shop. Wassail Hotel, resort. So returning back from the same road which we came earlier. That's the hospital. Jigme Doji Wangchuk National Referral Hospital. So this is one of the biggest hospital in Bhutan. Yeah, there. In Bhutan, the medicals are all free, provided by the government. It's all due to our king, Her Majesty. Small belly bridge over a stream, and this is the workshop area which I have told you earlier. Almost all the workshops are over here, When we came earlier, they were out for lunch, and Now it's open. This would be my next bike to upgrade, but it's looking so big, man. Oh mama, and check, our club sticker is here and our service sticker is here. Oh, Mr. Druk Nomad, you know, his sticker is also over here, and this is our club sticker, Bhutan Pro rider. Yeah. Okay, I just came to the Royal Enfield showroom in Thimphu, and I just tested this bike. So it was comfortable, you know, and this was the exact color which I want, you know. And I think if I upgrade my bike, I'll just upgrade to this Himalayan 450. The suspensions are so good, you know, and yeah, the seat height is also quite okay for us. And you can check over here. This is the service center. The only service center of the bike available in Bhutan is the Royal Enfield. This is the exactly bike which I was looking for. And yeah, the next time if I upgrade my bike, I'm sure I'll go with this one. Yeah, it was fun interacting with the manager over here, and he's the manager over here. So now we're moving back. So next time, Lawanza, thank you. So yeah, finally visited the showroom and just did some tests on the bike. Yeah. It was good. It was good. So finally, now if I upgrade, I'll go to Himalayan 450. Yeah, that would be a great choice. Tashi the Lake. Just 13 kilometers to Paro. A Ronin with a new speedometer.
Okay, good ride. Enjoyed everything, yeah.
Okay, we'll meet on next ride.
Go home.
Okay guys, now we are departing. That's the way of life. Yeah, that is it for this video. Okay, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, write memories, and I hope you know the drill. Till then, stay safe and keep watching.